Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing Yoshi from Mario Bros. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artists, today we're gonna start this picture of Yoshi and the first thing is the nose and it's a big letter C. Let's start in the middle of the paper, go up a little and then go around. This one, like I said, looks like a big backwards letter C. Then we're gonna leave a space right here, we're not gonna close it. Now we're gonna put a little line here to mark his cheeks, or like the smile. Let's do two more curves that go from here going up, curve up and back down. Okay, it's like a big upside down letter U. And now we're gonna do one more curve from this line and we're gonna be careful to not touch this line. So we're gonna do a little curve where the eye goes and we're leaving a little space here. Next, we're gonna do the eyes and there are gonna be two curves. Let's start from this line. We're gonna go up, we're gonna curve here. Now we're gonna do one more curve. We're gonna go up and now we connect with the mouth. Next, we're gonna do two oval shapes inside. One here and we're gonna fill this with black. And the next one is touching a little bit of the mouth. Now let's do these curves double. We're gonna start on the right side. We're gonna go over and connect here. We're gonna do one more going over and now going down. And we stop right there when we get to the half of the eye. And from here we're gonna do one and two curves. Now this part of the eye, I'm just gonna pass the marker twice so it just goes thicker. Now we're gonna do the neck. We're gonna do a short line and underneath the mouth we're gonna do one more line, the curve, and then goes down. Both are curvy lines. Here we're gonna start the back or the chair where the character of Mario is sitting. We're gonna curve and go up a little. Now let's do this curve double. So we're gonna leave a space going down and following the same shape. With these lines I'm passing my marker twice just to make it thicker. Now from this point I wanna curve and this one just close. We're gonna do the back of the tail and we're gonna go up and down and we curve and go underneath the chair. Here we're leaving a space for the hands. From this line we're gonna go a little in, just a little, and from this point I'm gonna do a curve. That's part of the neck and I'm still leaving a space here. Here we're gonna do the arm. We're gonna do an upside down letter U again. From this point I want to do three curves. One, two, and in this space I'm leaving here I'm gonna do a little one that goes in. If you notice, I'm leaving here a space to connect the stomach or the belly, and outside we're gonna do one more hand. This looks like a fist. We're gonna go up and down and curve. That's his thumb. From this curve we're gonna go and connect with the body. Outside of this finger we're gonna do a half a circle and then one more. Let's finish now the body and we're gonna go back from the tail, going down, and from here I want to start doing the first shoe. We're gonna do a line and then a big curve that goes down. Curve, goes down, and it looks like a letter C. In behind we're gonna do one more and then one that connect with the shoe. For the second shoe we're just gonna do half. So we're gonna just do the curve on the front. And on the bottom we're gonna put a double line just to make it look like the base of the shoe. On the top we're gonna do three triangles that is part of his body. We're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. The very last thing we're gonna do his nostrils and we're gonna do two lines that are a little curvy. And there, that's it. We finished this character, Yoshi from Mario Bros. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my character turned out with the colors. The last thing I did at the end was to pass the marker around the character so these pop the picture even more. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!